Hi there, this is Anna-Claire Bernardez. I am the Global Head for Membership Engagement and Growth at IAMT, the International Association for MediaTech. So IAMT represents over 400 companies across the MediaTek ecosystem. And we're here at InfoComm 2026 in Vegas for the second time this year. And we are so excited because we've launched about like 5 weeks ago our new IAMT website that comes with the launch of our IAMT marketplace as well as MAI. So MAI is our MediaTek AI search engine supported by GenAI. And this is an amazing platform for everyone visiting our website, the IAMT.org, to search for what are the innovation and what are the solutions that our members are launching and featuring and where they are driving innovation. So I'm going to show you how it works. When you go to the IAMT.org website, basically you can get into MAI, so MediaTek AI, and how it works is that it's with like any supported by Gen AI search engine that you can ask MAI a question. So let's try with a specific question. What are the companies tapping into corporate? Sorry. Markets. And then what MAI is going to do is to think of an answer and provide you with which are the suppliers tapping into this segment who are member of IAMT. So IAMT is a non-for-profit global trade association. We are neutral and independent. And as you can see here, MAI is going to give you answers on who are the vendors explicitly targeting enterprise and corporate AV, as well as the system integrators and pro AV specialists, the platform and streaming players used in corporate comms, and so on. So that's all of the information that all of the visitors to our website, whether they are MediaTek buyers, whether they are consultants, whether they are system integrators, anybody who wants to learn about what are the latest innovation could find on MAI and through IAMT.